Hello, welcome. Today we are in Technical University of Eindhoven again, and we are here in the place where the people have lunch. And what I want to show you is that there are very high levels of dirty electricity here, which I can detect with my AM radio. So I will now put the radio on. We already hear a slight buzzing. But because there's other people here, I will not put the volume too high. But what we can see, when we come closer to this light here, with this beautiful piece of art, is that there is a very high disturbance on the AM frequency, which is also a frequency in the human body. So we can clearly see this, and as we can see also, this is where people sit and have lunch. So in my perspective, this is not recommendable, and I hope that the people that are in decision making position will take action, and also I hope that you are inspired by seeing this video. Thank you for watching.